Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Alive on the farm. Let's go to the rooftop. I made it a little easier. I got this guy here because I can barely fit my feet in here. I do got to make my ladder to my roof a little more efficient, I will say. But I got some stuff brewing up here once I get my foot up there. Got some stuff brewing up here, so I figured I'd take you along and show you kind of part 2 of how we're rocking. Got the Hugelkultur kind of starting. So I threw some big pieces of old rotten wood, and we're gonna be filling them up. From with what Hugelkultur is, it's pretty much just saving space in your garden bed, so you don't gotta fill it up with a whole bunch of compost, super expensive materials. These big pieces of wood will help retain moisture, again take up some space, so you can save some money. And they will break down over time and create, create some extra nutrition in your soil as well. So, Hugelkultur method, if you're not familiar with it, there's tons of videos out there. Go check it out. I don't think I'll do a video on Hugelkultur specifically because it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just something like that. Now look how much compost I don't have to put in there. And I think one of the biggest things for this system of why I'm wanting to do this will be because I want to save or maintain more moisture in here. And these, once these will get wet, they'll, compared to just regular potting mix, you can just imagine how long it'll take for these to. And so this is almost even too broken down, I'll be honest, because this is going to leach some nitrogen, but fuck it, I don't care. Or screw it, or dang it. I guess you guys are getting a nice curse word today and things, whatever. It's all energy. That's how I speak sometimes. You'll probably get used to it if you watch the videos. Cursing ain't a bad thing. It's all perspective, guys. So I guess I don't even know why I still catch myself and care. I should just continue to go. So it's just gonna go like that. Oh dang, that was not. Oh, I thought it was gonna fit perfect. All right, so we're gonna switch this guy. For this guy. And I might even get a couple more small ones. Boom, boom. Dang, I thought this was gonna be enough. But that's the start of it. Today I'm gonna also cut this. Zoop! I'm gonna get my jigsaw out and cut these two right at the edge of this. But I've got a beautiful day. Got lots of work ahead, lots of different projects planned. But there's the start of the Hugelkultur. And the next thing will be, well, I am probably gonna get 2 more pieces of wood, 1, 2, maybe like 3, just to kind of fill out these sides, just so you know. And then I'll probably bring you along, maybe not even, just to dump some compost in there. That's gonna be the hardest part. I'm gonna probably do maybe a bag of potting mix to have a little bit of some peat moss and stuff in there. And perlite, but because I don't want it to be super dense, heavy, just compost. So I will mix my compost probably with some kind of potting mix to keep in here, just so you guys know. And then I'll probably just show you next when when they're both all filled up. That'll be the next step, and then we'll do planting together. So that's it, guys. A nice short one. Took you long. Have a magical day. Blessings. Bye.